really the overall projects, it's focused on the commercial, it's focused on the residential, and then it's focused on the community aspects of it. And so the developers really were thoughtful and intentional about embracing outdoor space, kind of the modern amenities that users and then the community are seeking, right? So there's been a lot of intentionality that went behind it, and I think it comes through in the authenticity of the project.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I mean, it's definitely so unique.
It's going to really revitalize almost 30 acres, and because of the connectivity with the green space, you are reaching several miles all the way from uptown Charlotte out to Martin Luther King Jr. City Park. So it's a big deal.
Yeah.